Hello, hey everyone, welcome to Icy Stuff YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you top 5 products or prank products for adults, and this is real amazing if you're looking to just surprise or shock some of your buddies or friends with some crazy things and feel them embarrassed and all that. So in this list I'm going to show you, keep with me here in this video. I'm going to show you these awesome products that I found on Amazon, and basically it's around just $10 and it's for adults, and this is really amazing. So let's go for the first product. So the first product is this Icy Micro Pen Cure.com. So basically it's kind of you buy this and you send it to the one that you want to mess with, so that you will be like feel embarrassed when they receive this email, especially when someone saw the other person that he received this thing, oh my god, what the hell, he's gonna think I'm gonna have a micro penis and stuff like that, So this is like embarrassing box prank. Micropenismaker.com. We mail your target a hilarious labeled package to make the cringe great key gift and a practical joke. So yeah, that's it for this one, and it's just for $13. And yeah, and the second one is this 6-week adult embarrassing prank envelopes mail prank joke just for laughs. So basically you mail this to the people, to your target, and then you fill them, oh my god, what the heck is this? So yeah, this is the second one. Okay, and the third one is this adult prank bundle fake bags rinse swap cheeky gay pranks for adults. So but yeah, that's it. Roommate revenge kit. So you can see this roommate, if you want just to wait inside his under the blanket when he's sleeping or something like that. I'm giving you also help me to do some bad stuff to your friends. Okay, yeah, so this is the product. And the fourth one is, this is a common one, like shock pan and the marker prank set by extra to one funny trick pens get gifted for your friends and family and make them laugh with electric shock and practical joke toys. So yeah, this is another one, and it's in about like in a marker and shock marker you see here, and in a pen, and this is an awesome one. And the last one is the right temperature pregnancy test. So this is if you want to mess with your girlfriend or something like that, or if and then show them fake test pregnancy that shows that they're pregnant but it's not pregnant, and then you go, oh my god, what the heck, who put that baby home or some shit like that, So yeah, you guys, if you want to prank your friends, we will find the list in description to get this product. So just go direct and they will find all the information. The prices here, it's not expensive, it's all around $10. And also I made another video about top 5 or top 10 prank products that are under $5. And then yeah, so if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to Epic One YouTube channel. That's it guys, see you soon, goodbye.